Hey, what's up YouTube? Kenny here. So, I just finished tearing down, if you watched my live stream, you saw me tear down a View 71 case and clean out everything, prepping everything for its new home in the 1000D. But yeah, let's take a look at the CryoFuel and see how it turned out. It's been living inside that case for a really long time. This is the stuff that I took out directly from the reservoir. I think, I don't know, to me it looks like it got darker over the time. I'll post a link in the other video, but you can see here the the soft tubing that I used. Quite stained. Probably can't see either, but it kind of looks like it's a little powdery caked on in there. But like other people have said, that this type of vinyl tubing leaches its plasticizer. I love that word. So I'm not really sure if how much of an effect it had on the color. I think this is like leftover stuff. Might be a little diluted, a little bit. I can't quite remember. But this could be the result of the plasticizers darkening it up. Maybe it would, just dirt and dust and other stuff that got in the loop. But yeah, I don't know. It held up really well. I don't see any actual issues with it. This is that's all the flush stuff. Look how bright pink that looks. You can probably dilute this stuff down, and I think it'll probably be okay still. But I haven't really seen any issues. I tore down and cleaned the block up. That looks a lot better now. And there was some lint, dust, hair, dirt, debris in there, some other nonsense. So obviously, stuff gets in your loop. Everything was pretty dirty. CryoFuel holds up. I like it still. Might need to try some actual hard line tubing and stuff. So yeah, that is that for the CryoFuel stuff. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below what you think, your experiences with it, and stay tuned for CryoFuel Solid. But we're doing the blue stuff this time. Can't wait to try that stuff out. Be interesting.